Take a ride in the 2019 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, universal garage door opener, cargo area light, retained accessory power. Your new ride is just a phone call away.